everyone, welcome back to McCall's Baker's channel. Whether you're getting married outdoors in the spring or summer, or in a barn during the fall, or up in the mountains in the winter, complement the vibe of your celebration by adding a rustic touch to your wedding cake. Follow along as I show you how easy it is to make this cake. Let's get started. We're going to need some cake. The number of layers is your choice. I'm looking for a taller cake, so I'm using 4 cakes. In fact, I'm using the McCall's carrot cake. Notice we're not going to be torting our cakes. I'm going to be masking and filling my cakes with the McCall's Ready Ice cream cheese decorator icing. Tools we're going to need: a turntable and a palette knife. Add a dollop of icing on your first layer, smoothing out to the edge of your cake using the palette knife. Continue this process for the remaining layers. Just remember not to overfill your layers. A thick layer of icing between each layer may be delicious, but it'll cause your cake to shift or, even worse, fall over. Now for the final layer. Here I'm going to mask my cake in a very thin layer of icing, both the top and the sides of the cake. The idea is, the cake being rustic, you want to see bare cake. Now transfer your cake over to the cake stand of your choice. Now let's give your cake some personality. Depending on the time of the year, dress up your cake with whatever in season. Here I'm using some fresh berries and greeneries from my garden for the rustic look. Now there's so many options. Just keep in mind that if you're using fresh flowers and greenery, make sure that's all pesticide free. Enjoy! Remember to visit us at McCalls.ca, where you'll find all products used in this video, your trusted source for chocolate, baking, and cake decorating supplies. We hope you found this video interesting, and if you give it a try, tag us at Love McCalls. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. We'd love to see your creations. As always, if you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, give it a thumbs up, a like, leave us a comment, and we'll see you next week with a new video.